Outer Mongolia was a territory of the Manchu-led Qing dynasty. Its area was roughly equivalent to that of the modern state of Mongolia, which is sometimes erroneously called Outer Mongolia today, plus the Russian Republic of Tuva. There was some confusion about whether Outer Mongolia only consisted of the four Kharkha amags, or of Kharkha plus Oirat areas Kovd and Tanuyuriankai. The name Outer Mongolia is contrasted with Inner Mongolia, an autonomous region of China. Inner Mongolia was given its name because it was more directly administered by the Qing court. Outer Mongolia had a greater degree of autonomy within the Qing domain. The term Mongol is sometimes used in Mongolian language to refer to Outer Mongolia when making a distinction with Inner Mongolia, so as to elide the history of Qing rule and rather imply a geographic unity or distinction of regions inhabited by Mongols in the Mongolian plateau. There also exists an English term Northern Mongolia, but possibly with political connotations. It can also be used to refer to Mongolia synchronically. In the Mongolian language, the word refers to the backside of something, which has been extended to mean the northern side of any spatial entity, e.g., a mountain or a yurt. The word Oba refers to the south side of a mountain. So the difference between Inner Mongolia and the Mongolian state is conceived of in the metaphor as at the backward northern side versus the south side of a mountain. In contrast to Chinese, there is also Chinese, roughly referring to the region now known as Inner Mongolia, while the direct and possibly more Sinocentristic Chinese counterpart for the term, Inner Mongolia, remained the standard terminology for the region. Today, Outer Mongolia is sometimes still informally used to refer to Mongolia. Outer Mongolia is also used quite commonly in the Republic of China, to avoid confusion between the sovereign nation of Mongolia and China's Inner Mongolia, but to recognize the sovereignty of Mongolia. Media in China generally refer to the former as State of Mongolia, instead of just Mongolia. That could refer to the whole Mongolia area.